Good morning. My nose has been stuffy these past few days because of the change in weather. So I'm glad I packed some orange juice. No, I'm just kidding. I packed some multivitamins. So I hope it helps a little bit so that my nose gets unclogged. So what are your remedies when you're anticipating for a change of weather? So the average weather in Manila back then was 25 degrees before we left, and the weather here, -4, feels like -9. So comment below on what you do to anticipate the change in weather. I mean, for me, I drink some multivitamins. How about you? Comment below, I'd like to know. So I said last night that we'll give you a quick Airbnb tour. So let's do that. Living room. Dining area. The kitchen. The toilet. The way the setup here is very different. So you have the toilet and the baths like separated from each other. This is the bath. Bedroom 1. This is the second bedroom, but someone's still there, so I can't show you. But bedroom 2. And that's a quick Airbnb tour. The location is very nice. It's located near the Sigmund Freud Museum. So hopefully you can visit. Now in the Vienna Tourist Information Center to get these. Now these are the Vienna city cards. It's really good value. The tram that we took coming here is €2.60, and then the tram last night was €2.40. So that alone cost €5. Now if you buy this card for only €21.90, it's €21.90. So you get unlimited free public transportation, and also you get some discounts in the entrance for some museums. So there are different types of cards you can get. You can get the 24 hours, you can get the 48 hours, and you can also get the 72 hours. So we'll be here for 2 days. So we're getting the 48 hours for €21.90. So you also get a free book for some tourist information. And when you're here in Vienna, go get these tickets. You can purchase these tickets in different locations. You can purchase them in the airport, in the main train station, and here in the tourist center. So last night when we arrived, it was a little bit late, so the tourist information was already closed. So we had to travel all the way here to get these tickets, which is very worth it. After getting the city pass, we're now here to try the famous Sacher Torte in the original hotel. It's just right around the corner, like basically a 2-minute walk, and you're here in the hotel. So after you purchase, if you purchase your city pass in the tourist center, make sure to come here for your next stop. So if you're wondering what a Sacher Torte is, it's basically chocolate cake with apricot jam and chocolate icing. The original recipe was founded here in this hotel.
Let's dig in. It's so good. You have to come here to try it because it's really, really good.
The taste is very subtle and complex. It has several layers. You can first taste the chocolate, and then it has a very sweet, very apricot-y taste. Well, of course they use apricot jam, so that's why it has the apricot aftertaste. Now they say that the chocolate is made from several chocolates, not just one, and it has 34 steps which they follow one by one. Like they can't skip a step. They have to follow it in sequential. So I think since 1832, was it? Since 1832, they have been producing this, and it tastes wonderful. They produce around 360,000 pieces of Sacher Torte every year.
How about this one? Love it. It's so yummy. It has lemon or orange, and it's really good. I love that one too.
If you like the Sacher Torte and you want to bring some home, or maybe some other chocolates or some other desserts, they have a cafe just right around the corner. It's less than a minute walk. So if you want anything, drop by here, you can buy it here. We got the chocolate so that we can bring back home. This is St. Stephen's Cathedral. If you climb up the stairs, which is around 383 steps, you will see a beautiful view of the city. So, come join me. An interesting trivia for you. Did you know that Mozart got married at this church in 1872? When you come to St. Stephen's Cathedral, you have the option of coming here on top. You can see the bell and of course a magnificent view of the city. Now all of this costs €6 and you don't have to climb the stairs. There's an elevator that will bring you straight up here. We are now here in Krakow for lunch. So after St. Stephen's Cathedral, we went along a street somewhere there. It was a whole street of shopping area, so we went to take a look around, see what's there, shop a little bit. One of the things that you need to eat while in Vienna is the pork schnitzel. So the thing with the restaurants here in Europe is that usually they have a lunch special, which is usually available between 11 and 3 p.m. So if you're looking for somewhere to eat, make sure to ask if there's a lunch menu, which will save you some money. Now the lunch menus usually cost around €7 to €8, so make sure to check what will be available. The University of Vienna is one of the oldest universities in the German-speaking world. Imagine Sigmund Freud was walking along these halls. Now that's history right there. Wouldn't you know it, it is associated with 15 Nobel Prize winners. How cool is that? Next stop, National Library. The part of the library that we wanted to go to is closed, unfortunately. So we'll be back here tomorrow, so tune in for the next vlog. It's the world's most beautiful library. We are now in Stefanplatz for a bit of shopping. So today we wanted to visit a lot of places, however, due to the weather, the sun sets really early here and some of the establishments close earlier than usual. The lesson learned is if you have places that you want to go where the sun is up, you have to visit those first. So what we did was we took our time visiting and exploring the city. However, in doing that, we kind of lost track of time. So we weren't able to visit the places that we were planning to go to today. So we'll make it up for tomorrow. So the plan for tomorrow is we'll wake up really early so that we can go to Schönberg Palace and then we will go to the opera. Lastly, of course, we will go to the National Library. Stefanplatz is a whole area of shopping. There's a lot of stores here where you can go to. So if you want to shop around Vienna, Stefanplatz is definitely the place to be. I suggest you put Stefanplatz at the last of your list because even if the sun is out, right now as you can see it's already nighttime, stores are still open. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. As always, see you next time.